Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. Tasneem. I'm from GKNM Hospital, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. And I'm here to present the use of cell sampling to improve the follow-up of HPV positive women. You all know that cervical cancer caused by human papilloma virus, and it is one of the most frequently diagnosed cancers worldwide. 83% of this invasive cervical cancer is attributed to HPV 16 and 18. And about 5% of Indian women harbor these virulent serotypes in their cervix. In the absence of organized cervical cancer screening programs, 85% of cervical cancer is diagnosed at an advanced stage in India. And we could improve the screening rate with the help of various organizations, but there remains certain barriers in the follow-up and treatment of screen-positive women. A change is must to this scenario to reduce the default rate and prevent the mortality and morbidity associated with this preventable cancer. So several studies are available stating that self-sampling is efficacious as healthcare worker collected sample, but whether HPV negative test by self-sampling truly negative, that we have to see. So what is the purpose of this study? Among 210 women found to be HPV positive in the time period of October 2017 to December 2019 out of 2,977 women screened. And only 28.5% came for follow-up after a positive HPV screen test. Why? And how we can reduce this default rate in follow-up and treatment? Whether self-sampling plays a role? And if yes, is self-sampling is adequate? Then how we conducted the study? As first part of the study, our healthcare workers went into the community at the residence of each HPV positive women and offered them self-sampling with CARE HPV kit. Explained each woman regarding how to take sample with pictorial representation. And samples collected and run in our rural health center at Veerapandi. And we conducted colposcopy clinic in the community centers. And as second part of the study, a cohort of 70 women attended our clinic, were divided into two groups by simple randomization. And control group offered HPV screening with COBAS kit and sample taken by healthcare worker. An interventional group asked to give cell sample by COBAS HPV kit. And why we chose COBAS? It contains an inbuilt quality control mechanism, which would denote if no cervical or vaginal cells made out in the sample sent for analysis. So it gives the answer whether a negative test is truly negative. So the samples were sent to Adyar Cancer Institute and further analysis carried out there. So we obtained results like this. The HPV positive rate was 7.05%. And by offering cell sampling, 60% complied with their 12-month follow-up. And 27.8% of these women remained HPV positive second time. By implementing outreach colposcopy in the community, we could achieve improvement in follow-up from 28.5% to 45%. And that shows a significant difference. And none of the 35 samples collected with the help of COBAS HPV kit and by cell sampling were invalid, showing women are able to collect cervical or vaginal samples easily. So to conclude, cell sampling is as efficacious as healthcare worker collected sample. And default rate in follow-up can be reduced by offering cell sampling and outreach colposcopy clinic in the community. So thank you and have a nice day.